wolf, also known as the grey wolf or grey wolf, is a large canine native to Eurasia and North America. More than 30 subspecies of Canis lupus have been recognized, and grey wolves are popularly understood. Comprise wild subspecies. The wolf is the largest extant member of the family Canidae. It is also distinguished from other canine species by its less pointed ears and muzzle, as well as a shorter torso and a longer tail. The wolf is nonetheless related closely enough to smaller canine species such as the coyote, the golden jackal, to produce fertile hybrids with them. The banded fur of a wolf is usually mottled white, brown, grey, and black. Although subspecies the Arctic region may be nearly all white. Grey wolves are carnivores that usually prey on ungulates much larger than themselves. Wolf pups are born blind and deaf. They must be cared for until they mature at around 10 months of age. There are 5 subspecies of grey wolves in North America. Their coat colors can range from pure white to brown, grey, cinnamon, or black. On average, grey wolves will eat 20 to 30 pounds of meat in one meal, but have also been known to go up to 14 days between meals with no ill effects. Grey wolves have a circumpolar range including North America, Europe, and Asia. The wide range of habitats, their adaptability as a species and includes temperature, forests, mountains, tundra, taiga, grasslands, and desert. The male wolf can live 16 years in captivity and the female wolf 14 years in the wild. There is many types of wolves such as eastern wolf, tundra wolf, and Eurasian wolf. You can recognize grey wolf by the colors light grey to black. Dimensions 2.5 feet tall, 5 to 6 feet long. Broad snout, round ears, 80 to 120 pounds. The paw size is 4. The global wild wolf population was estimated to be 300,000 in 2003 and is considered to be of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN).